Hey everyone, welcome to the video. Today I'll be showing how to install LTSpice for Macs. You can just go to any browser. I use Google Chrome and search up LTSpice download. Here it is. And you just scroll down to download for Mac. It'll take a couple of seconds. I'm not really sure if this works for all Mac OS. I think I have Mac OS X, but it should work. And now all you have to do is click on the DMG, and it should show up on your desktop, and all you have to do is click on it. Usually they tell you to put it in applications, but you can put it wherever you want, and then you just double click on it to open it. And it usually takes a while to verify the first time. And it stops right about here, and it will probably take 30 seconds or a minute. Okay, and we are done. That took about a minute and a half. And you can just click open. And let's see what's going on. So it's open, you click on it, and there you have it. Start a new blank schematic, and you can start drawing. That's all for this video. Please let me know what other tutorials you all would like to see, and thank you for watching.